everybody. My name is Caroline Lee, and I'm a doTERRA wellness advocate. I'm so excited for you to join me. We're going to be talking about the promotions that are available within doTERRA for February 2020. It is a leap year, so you get an extra day this month to take advantage of all the sales and promotions that are going on with this amazing essential oil company. So let's dive deep into what is available and maybe why you don't want to miss out on this. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the free product of the month. This program is for those that are loyally purchasing every single month through the Loyalty Rewards program. This is a customizable program that you can purchase things that you already need every single month. You just put it in your shopping cart. You pick a date that it's going to go out, and then it's going to ship on that particular day. And then you can go in and edit it and customize it just the way that you would like it to be. So this month, if you do it at 125 points and you do it before the 15th of the month, you're going to get Ravintsara essential oil for free. Now, for you that maybe use essential oils a lot and maybe have been familiar with doTERRA, might have recognized Ravintsara as one of the ingredients that are found in the doTERRA Breathe blend. So the respiratory blends. So Breathe, Breathe Touch, and Breathe Vapor Stick. This is actually one of the oils that are in that blend. So it's definitely one that you cannot buy separately right now. It's exclusively just the free product of the month. So maybe this might be the month that you decide to start on the rewards program and be able to get this oil for free. So let's talk about some of the uses of Ravintsara. And so what does it smell like? So the aroma of Ravintsara essential oil can be described kind of as a combination of camphor and eucalyptus. It's kind of a greener scent, if you could even say that, but it's going to be really uplifting and energizing. The main chemical constituent is eucalyptol, okay, which actually gives you a lot of the similar properties that eucalyptus oil has. So it's going to be great for promoting clear breathing and open the airways. So we love that. So you're also going to find that Ravintsara has that relaxing aroma. So that's going to be really good to add to your bath salts as you're taking a bath, or to like massage after you're exercising. Okay, you can also diffuse it. One of the best oils to diffuse this one is lavender to help you get a better night's rest. But it also blends really well with oils like Copaiba, frankincense, peppermint, rose, tangerine, vetiver, and wintergreen. You can also use Ravintsara in a spray bottle with water, and you can clean the surfaces and your hands. It's a great cleanser that you can actually add to your facial cleanser, add a drop to that just to get added cleansing benefits. Ravintsara is a little bit milder option than the eucalyptus. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit more gentler, Ravintsara is going to be that one. So again, you have to do 125 PV order on the Loyalty Rewards order to get this for free. It has to process before the 15th of the month. All right, doTERRA also has an amazing 10% off product. So if you already have a wholesale account, this is 10% off of your membership benefits, okay? So what we love about Yarrow Palm is it is a proprietary blend of yarrow essential oil and pomegranate seed oil. Now this one definitely is one that we love. I love using it with my skincare regimen to help with self-care. But it is a very first of its kind blend that naturally regulates the body's protective transcript factors while activating skin protecting proteins that inhibit the enzymes that break down elasticity and collagen. And it also has the added benefit of promoting collagen production. Okay, what does that mean for you and me? It's going to help your skin tighten. It's going to help your skin look younger. It's going to help the skin cells rejuvenate and build the elasticity that it needs, right? So this is going to be great. This oil blend can actually apply topically as well as taken internally to support inflammation responses. And it also can help promote healthy metabolic functions. So this is an amazing essential oil blend. I like to use it. I use it in the syrup form, and I add a few oils, and I do aromatic dressing. So I just apply the oil to my body, and I say affirmations along with it. That's just how I use the oil. But this is great for your skin. So apply it on your skin and your daily skin regimen. You can also take a drop or two in the morning and night to promote the healthy metabolism. You're also going to see, if you're going to use this topically, you're going to have reduction of appearance of blemishes. So it's definitely going to be a really good oil that you're going to want. Again, this one is 10% off this month. Then, because we know we're in February and we're in the throes of winter, we know that traditionally our immune system gets hit really, really hard in this month when it comes to environmental threats. So we want products that are going to help us. And doTERRA has this wonderful promotion where they're going to get you prepared to help support your immune system on a daily basis. So the way that this promotion works is, if you do a 200-point order in the month of February, you are actually going to walk away with these 4 products. You're going to get the On Guard Foaming Hand Wash, the On Guard Sanitizing Mist, and the On Guard Touch, as well as a 15 ml bottle of On Guard. So you're going to be able to wash your hands with the hand soap. You're going to have On the Go with the mist, as well as the touch. And then you can use the On Guard concentrate to make lots of cleaners if you need to, or you can also put it in the diffuser, as we know that there's a lot of coughing going on, respiratory discomfort this time of year. That On Guard is going to just really be beneficial and very helpful in supporting that. Now, if you don't want to do a 200 PV order, you still can earn a free product this month by doing a 100 PV order, and you'll get the On Guard Touch. So if we want to get all 3 of these amazing things that I just talked about, we could put the Yarrow Palm on our LRP, right? That's going to be 95 PV, and then we put one more item on there. So we're going to get 10% off of our Yarrow Palm. We're going to put another item on there that's going to qualify us for the On Guard. And if that item gets you up to 125 PV, on top of that, you're going to get, not only you'll get the 10% off of Yarrow Palm, you'll get the On Guard Touch, but you will also get the Ravintsara for free. So there's a lot. And then if you do the 200 PV, you can actually get all of these products if Yarrow Palm is in your shopping cart at the discount. So there's a lot of amazing deals that you can get on that. And we love our On Guard. On Guard is my favorite product because I would rather prevent than have to restore. So when it comes to keeping my body healthy and my immune system and supporting that, the On Guard products really help with that. And before I leave the On Guard, I do want to talk about the oils briefly that you can find in On Guard, so that you can remember why it's such an amazing oil. We've got wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. So all of those are great. They're all known to be natural antioxidants, great for immune respiratory support, and great for energizing and uplifting our moods. Lastly, what I want to talk about is a specific kit that doTERRA has designed to not only help with your winter wellness, right, with the On Guard products, but other products that's going to help with keeping our bodies healthy in this time of year that we really need to do it. This is called the Winter Wellness Kit, and this is available until it sells out. So this is an opportunity for you to get all different products that you can that you need to help your family stay healthy through the winter time. And I will tell you, one oil that's in this kit is not available for individual sale here in the United States. We did get it in a LRP product of the month promotion, but you can't buy this one separately. So let's talk about what is in the winter protection kit. You get a pedal diffuser, you get a 15 ml of Breathe, you get a 5 ml of Manuka, you get DDR Prime soft gels, and you're going to get rosemary 15 ml and Copaiba 15 ml. So you got your Breathe to help support open airways during the winter cold months. You've got Manuka, which is going to help with skin, skin issues, especially if your skin tends to dry out in the winter time. This is great to be adding to your lotions and helping with dry skin. Then you have DDR Prime Soft Gels. You can take that in your morning routine to just give you added antioxidant protection against free radicals. Diffusing rosemary. Oh my goodness, it is very energizing during those dreary winter days. So this is definitely one that you're going to want to put in that petal diffuser right off the bat. And then you can take Copaiba internally to maintain healthy immune system and cardiovascular system. So you could put that a drop in your water and just drink it. I like to add a citrus to that if I'm going to do that one. But you can also take a veggie cap and put the Copaiba in the veggie cap and take that internally as well. Is a great option in that. I know in my groups, we're going to talk a little bit more about why we want to have these to help support our immune system and the benefits, but you definitely don't want to let this get by. doTERRA's got this kit specifically because he knows that this is an issue for a lot of families this time of year. You have the additional savings because it's all packed up and ready to go. With that, if you're not working with anybody in particular, I would love to work with you. Reach out to me. If not, work with the wellness advocate that got you started with doTERRA. Have them help you with your order if you have any questions on how to qualify and get these free products. With that, I say take care, my friends, and we will see you next month.